Good morning, everyone, and I welcome you all in the class of mathematics for class 7th. And today we will study this chapter, the remaining part of this chapter, properties of triangles. And the topic that I'm going to discuss is questions based on the triangle inequality properties. Okay, and it is first video for this week. Okay, so let's start, students, and see. First we have to study this another important result of triangle inequality. One of the result in the previous video I have shown. Okay, in this you have to see the another result of triangle inequality, that we can see the difference of any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. Difference of any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. That we can understand from this diagram. You see, this is a triangle whose sides are A, B and C that I have mentioned here. Then here the difference between the sides A and B is less than C. That means A minus B is less than the C. Okay. Then this B minus C is less than A. That means difference of B and C is less than A. Similarly, that A minus C means the difference of A and C is less than the third side B. Okay, difference of the sides A and C is less than the B. That means difference of any two sides is less than the third side. And in previous class I have explained that the sum of two sides is greater than the third side. But here what we have got, the difference of two sides is less than the third side. So now some questions we have to see. The question number 1 here, two sides of a triangle are 5 centimeter and 9 centimeter long. So what can be the length of its third side? So on the basis of information given here, we can find the range of the third side. Value range you can say. Exact value we cannot find here. Using the triangle inequality, we can find the range value of the third side. Okay, see this how. Now the solution we can give like that. Let the length of the third side be x centimeter. Okay. Then as we know that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side, which the triangle inequality property tells us. Okay, this is only the triangle inequality property states. Okay, then we can say that therefore the two sides 5 plus 9 is greater than the third side x according to this, and the 5 plus 9 is giving that 14. Okay, so 14 is greater than x here. Then if 14 is greater than x, that means the x is less than 14. So this is the result from this statement, that sum of two sides is greater than the third, is x is less than 14. Now from the next property, next result of this triangle inequality only, as we know that the difference of any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. Here it is less than the third side. Then we can state that 9 minus 5 is less than x, because the first two sides given is 9 and 5. So you should subtract from the greater side. 9 minus 5. Greater side minus smaller side you should do. So 9 minus 5 is less than the third side x. Then we can say that therefore 9 minus 5 is 4. So 4 is less than x. So ultimately we are getting this. That means 4 is less than x. That means x is greater than 4. This statement means this only. 4 is less than x, that means x is greater than 4. Then we can say that, including both the statements which we have got previous and this also, that first we have got that x is less than 14. X is less than 14. Then we have got and x is greater than 4. Here we have got that x is greater than 4. So this is the range value of x, that is third side, that it is greater than 4 but less than 14. X, the third side, that means x is greater than 4 but less than the third side, less than 14. So we can say hence the length of the third side must be larger than 4 centimeter and smaller than 14 centimeter. Okay, this is the result. Now the next question you can see, second, AM is the median of triangle ABC. That figure is given, you can see. Prove that the sum of all these three sides, that means AB plus BC plus CA, is greater than double of the median AM. Okay, that means greater than 2 AM. Now the question arises that what is median? So median is the line segment which connects any vertex of a triangle with the midpoint of other side. With the midpoint of other side. Okay, so this way this M is the midpoint here of the side BC and it comes from the opposite vertex A. So this AM is a median here. Okay, so now we are going to prove this. We know that, we will say as a solution first, we know that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. That is stated by the triangle inequality property. Okay, then therefore in triangle ABM, the AB plus BM, that means this ABM, this AB plus BM is greater than this, the third side AM. On the third side AM I have drawn two lines there, you can see. Okay, then now in triangle AMC from this side, AMC, see the diagram which is triangle AMC, that will be clear. So in triangle AMC, AC plus CM is greater than the third side AM as per the property tells us. Okay, then adding both these equations or inequality, you can say, adding above two equations or inequality, we are getting the LHS side, add these two LHS side left hand side and write on the left hand side only. Okay, so AB plus BM plus AC plus CM, write on the left side, and the right side terms, that means AM and AM, add and write on the right side only. So AM plus AM, that will give the 2 AM here result. Okay, now next this equation you have to solve this. We can see that here what we are doing, this BM and CM, these two terms add, this BM plus CM, this BM plus CM, that will give you the length total BC. Okay, according to the figure, see BM plus CM, that is giving the term total line segment BC. Okay, so that I am going to show here. Therefore this AB plus BC plus AC, this AB and BC is as it is only, this BM and CM sum will give the result BC. So this way we have proved that sum of all the three sides AB plus BC plus AC is greater than the double of median, that means 2 AM is greater than 2 AM. Now the next question here you see, ABCD here is it is a quadrilateral. Okay, prove that the sum of all the four sides of this quadrilateral is greater than the sum of the diagonal, sum of its diagonal. You can see AC is connecting the opposite vertex, same way BD also. So AC and BD are the diagonals. Okay, so sum of four sides of this quadrilateral is greater than the sum of both the diagonals. So how we can prove that? See, the diagram is this only. Then we can say by the property, we know that the sum of any two sides of a triangle, that is triangle property, is greater than the third side, triangle inequality property. Then in triangle ABC, AB plus BC, look at the diagram, which is triangle ABC. You can see the triangle ABC find in the diagram. Okay, triangle ABC, AB plus BC is greater than the third side AC. Okay, then in triangle ADC, above side ADC, this time also we are taking the third side as AC. In triangle ADC, CD plus DA is greater than AC. Now we will add both the results as a equation only. So adding the above two, what you will get? This LHS side add AB plus BC, add to CD plus DA. So this way we have got all the four sides on the left side, and right side what you will get? This AC plus AC, that means 2AC. Okay, then the last statement, this is the result, is equation only, that sum of all four sides is greater than 2AC. This equation I am writing again here. Okay, so AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than 2AC. Again I have written this equation for seeing this here in this page only. So now in triangle ADB, you see that now this time we have taken the third side as BD. Now triangle is also different, ADB. The triangle is ADB, you can see the diagram here. So AD plus AB is greater than BD here. Then in triangle BDC, the CD plus BC, you can see CD plus BC is also greater than the third side BD here. Okay, by the figure it is clear. Then adding the above two, then add these above two equations. Again similarly, this left side you will add all this AD plus AB and this CD plus BC, add and write on the left side. So that is coming result, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than this right side what you are adding. On the right side this BD plus BD. Just as we are doing equation, similarly you are adding the inequality also. So BD plus BD here, 2BD here we have got. Then adding equations 1 and 2, in both the equations you see this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. The LHS left side part is same. So AB and AB repeating, BC and BC also 2 times, CD and DA, all the sides comes 2 times when you will add them. So I have added here, see AB, BC, CD and DA. Again that from the second equation inequality, this is again coming AB, BC, CD and DA. And right side you will add, then right side it is 2AC and 2BD. Okay, so with this 2 you can take common, because you can see the right side term is written 2AC here, 2AC and 2BD. So this will come 2 take common, then it is 2 into AC plus BD. Okay, therefore we can say that this 2 into, here also each term is coming 2 times, so 2 take common, this AB plus AB is 2AB. Similarly this BC and BC is 2BC. Similarly all the terms sides are coming 2 times here, then 2 and 2 you can cut from here, this 2 and these 2 you can cut. Okay, because on both the sides they will divide each other. Then the result will come what? This 2 and 2 you have cut from here, both the side, you just have to cancel it. Okay, these both the 2's. Okay, then result is what? Sum of all four sides AB, BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. This only question is saying that prove sum of all the four sides is greater than the sum of both the diagonals. So this way it is proved here. Okay, so thank you all of you. Now your homework will be exercise 15C, question number 2 to 6 you will solve from RS Agrawal book. So thank you everyone.